Hey guys, so in this video today, I'm going to show you how to add a video on X to your offline videos so you could view them while offline. So you could basically save videos on Twitter or X, and then you can save them offline and watch them. I'll show you how to do that. All right, you are going to need a few things. First and foremost, you're going to have to upgrade from the free plan of X to the X Premium. All right, the bare minimum premium, whatever plan gives you the offline videos option. Now, once you find a video, click the little share button here and then go over and click the plus sign that says offline. And that'll go ahead and add it to your offline viewing. You can see here video downloaded to your offline videos. So that's basically how you go ahead and save offline videos to your X account. It's very easy and it's very simple. So that's how you do it. That's how you go ahead and save offline videos. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like on the video, subscribing to the channel, and I will see you all for the next one.